The world is changing, professions are disappearing, the biggest traffic of people is no longer on the streets, and if we want to survive this new digital age, we have to be connected to the internet. The whole world is realizing this, and more people are looking for ways to earn money online, whether to earn extra income or change professions. Therefore, today I will present 5 ways to make money over the internet in the comfort of your home, or anywhere you want to be. Stay until the end of the video, and I will give you the tools you need to make money over the internet. Number 5. Social media management. It is perfect for young people who want to start making money on the internet, since all you need to know is how to use social networks. Things you probably already know, and as said before, everyone wants to connect to the internet, and companies are no different. However, most of the time they don't have someone with the skills or time to take care of their social networks. Posting photos, promoting promotions, serving customers and putting together a content strategy are the main functions you can do and receive, according to which of these functions, and the time you will devote to them. Number 4. Dropshipping. It is a reseller job, an advantage over e-commerce. In dropshipping there is no need to have stock. The product is sent from the supplier directly to the customer. The reseller simply creating a virtual store, choosing perennial or trend products and take care of marketing. Take care when choosing the supplier. You will be responsible for the product and the delivery time. The corporate structure of dropshipping is reseller, supplier, carrier and customer support, in which you can take on one of the functions or outsource all of them. Shopee is a great platform for dropshipping, where you create your online store and find suppliers. Number 3. Dropservice. Similar to dropshipping, however, as its name says, instead of a product, you will outsource a service, in which you are hired to perform a single service or an entire project, but instead of performing the service, you outsource to one or more people who cover less than you will receive. The main services are programming, design, writer, translator and video editor. You can find all these services on Fiverr, either to hire or to be hired. Number 2. Microtasks. Answer questionnaires, watch videos, give your opinion, record audios, and so on. The list of microtasks is long, and no skills or experience are needed. The gain with microtasks is low, so it is necessary to perform several tasks, and because of that it may not serve as a main source of income, but as extra income. All you need is a PayPal account and register on one of the sites that are in the description. There are sites that pay more than others, however, they are more difficult to accept subscriptions. Number 1. Mining and investing in cryptocurrencies. This is the most complex way on this list, and it requires knowledge and initial investment. Nowadays it is possible to mine cryptocurrencies on your smartphone using cloud computers, but if you want to make a passive income, healthy high-performance computers are necessary, and care must be taken that the cost of electricity and initial investment does not render the operation unfeasible. Right after you start making money, it may be time to think about investing directly in cryptocurrencies, but remember that it is a variable income market and has a high risk, so it is necessary to learn or consult an expert to know the time to buy and selling. Thank you very much for watching the videos so far. Useful links to help in each of these ways to make money are in the video description, and if you learned something new, subscribe to the channel, click on like and share with your friends.